Today I've got another fun dish mat project for us. So I carry my laptop around like just open and willy-nilly like all the time. And I finally, after a couple of years, got my first scratch on it. So I figured it's probably time to make myself a little laptop sleeve. And me and my boyfriend were walking around Dollar Tree looking for inspiration the other day. And they got these cute new mats there. Like, look how adorable this is. These little mushrooms. Oh, I love it. I decided let's turn some of these dish mats into a cute laptop sleeve. So my laptop, it is a bigger laptop. It's like a 15 or 16 inch laptop. So it is a little bit bigger. But when I put it on the regular size dish mats, it's about the same size. So I'm literally just going to take these, sew them together. I've got this little zipper to put on the end that is the perfect size, and we'll see how it does. And I am just using this, they only had one of these, so I'm going to use one of the mushrooms and then one of just like the regular color. This is a gray one. First, I think I'm going to go through and I'm just going to cut off all these finished edges just so my mats are a little more even. And I'm just cutting them off right at the seams. Alright, not gonna lie, that made a lot bigger mess than I thought it was going to. We're gonna start putting our zipper on our bags. There's not a right and wrong side to this plain color one, so I'm just picking a side. We'll clip it down. And my zipper is right side down. Can't wait to see how this turns out. Okay, I'm gonna open my zipper some. I'm gonna leave my walking foot on there just because these materials are thick and I don't want to change my foot a bunch of times. So I'm going to move my needle all the way to the side. Back stitch at the front and ends. And then I am having trouble moving my zipper. There we go. Alright, we got the first side of the zipper done. Doesn't look too bad. Right, now that that's on there, I am going to flip it over and we will top stitch it. Alright, we got half our zipper out of the way. So now we're going to do the same thing with this side. So we're going to want the zipper right side against the right side of this. So it's easier if I just flip it this way. Try to line your mats up the best you can. These are a little different in size, but it'll be close enough. We'll put some clips. We are going to open our zipper so that it's not right at the edge. Now that that's all clipped, we can go back to the machine. And we will do like we did before, move our needle back to the side, start sewing. We'll just work our way down this zipper. Stop where we need to, move our zipper pull back. Now we got a little bit more room to work with it. We can open this up, close that back down, and keep going. Now we just have to top stitch on that one. This is going to be a little bit harder because now we got all this extra material. So I'm just going to kind of fold this up. I'm just going to put a clip in here to help hold this so it can slide through the machine easier. Okay, now we can just put this in here and we will top stitch right against that edge. Once we get close to our zipper pull, we're going to push it back again. Gotta lift my presser foot up a little. Let's take our clips back out, trim our threads. I am loving this already. So we're going to make sure our zipper is in the middle, and we're going to flip these so that they're right sides together. We are almost done, and we are literally just going to sew a big U shape down one side, across the bottom, back up to the top, and we'll probably be done after that. So I am going to put some clips just to help make sure this stays as close to even as possible. Now we got it all clipped, and I'm just going to sew like a 1/4 inch seam allowance on the gray side so that the printed side will be included. We'll just make sure the zipper is folded in, and we will go. Back stitch at the front and ends. Oh, my dog is losing her mind at everything, so I hope you guys don't hear her whining at everything that walks by the front door right now. This is going to be so cute. I'm so excited. I'm finally going to have my own little sleeve for my laptop. Alright, we've made it to the end. Let's flip it right side out, see how it looks. Let's open my zipper all the way to do that. Then let's not forget to trim our corners so there's not as much bulk there. All right, now that all that bulk is cut off, let's flip it right side out. It's so cute. Push our corners out. Make sure the top is nice and flipped. Zips good. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm obsessed with this. And let's see how my laptop fits in there. Got the laptop. Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. That is so exciting. Oh, now I've got a nice little sleeve for my laptop. So hopefully I don't get any more scratches. If you liked this tutorial at all, please like and subscribe to the channel. I love to upcycle things from the Dollar Tree, make fun little useful projects. If you have any ideas, or maybe you tried this on your own, please comment down below. Let me know how it went. If you have any other ideas that you want me to try, let me know. I am absolutely obsessed with how this turned out. Keep my laptop nice and safe now. There's just a little bit, couple inches of extra room. But until next time.